Azure the Most Wanted opens with a vibrant blend of spicy cardamom, zesty grapefruit, and sweet pineapple, creating an energetic and captivating introduction. The heart reveals a rich and indulgent mix of exotic Moroccan jasmine, creamy tonka bean, warm vanilla, and unique maple syrup, adding depth and gourmand sweetness. The base settles into a warm, sensual foundation of musk, umber, cedarwood, and earthy patchouli, offering a long-lasting, sophisticated finish. This refined fragrance balances freshness, warmth, and sweetness, making it a versatile and bold choice for any occasion. Performance elements. Longevity. The fragrance is long-lasting, with the base notes of musk, umber, cedarwood, and patchouli providing endurance that stays on the fabric for 10 to 12 hours, sometimes even longer depending on environmental conditions. Sillage. Moderate to strong. The fragrance projects well, leaving a noticeable trail without being overpowering. The combination of the spicy, sweet, and woody notes creates a balanced sillage that draws attention but remains refined. Projection. The scent has a medium projection noticeable within an arm's length, particularly in the opening and middle phases. It gradually becomes more intimate as it dries down. Seasonality. The warm, spicy, and sweet gourmand elements make this fragrance ideal for cooler months. The richness of umber, vanilla, and maple syrup particularly suits fall and winter settings. While it thrives in cooler weather, the balanced freshness of grapefruit and pineapple also makes it suitable for cooler spring or summer evenings. Occasion. This fragrance works well for both day and night. It is particularly suitable for formal events, special occasion, or evening wear, where its bold and refined profile can make a statement. It can also be worn casually for those who appreciate a sophisticated scent in more relaxed settings. Style. With its complex blend of fresh, spicy, sweet, and woody notes, the fragrance strikes a balance between classic sophistication and contemporary appeal, offering a modern twist on traditional masculine scents. Type. Spicy, gourmand, and woody. The fragrance combines a spicy cardamom top note with a gourmand heart and a warm umberwood base, creating a multifaceted scent profile. Mood. The combination of exotic spices, indulgent sweetness, and warm woods creates a mood of confidence, sophistication, and allure. It is designed for those who wish to make a strong and memorable impression. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only, and do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.